Hi everyone, so I said I was going to come on and show you how to wax up your thread. I got this and it's supposed to be wax linen thread, but it's not very waxy at all and I don't really like it, and it's really thin compared to the stuff that I would normally buy. And I couldn't get the normal stuff quite a while ago, so I ordered this from Amazon. There's actually tons of it. So I've done one already, and I've been using it over the last couple of days, and I've waxed it with a beeswax. Okay, now you could use a candle, but I've got this, so I'm using that. So I'm just going to cut a piece off, and I got my little candle burning there, my Himalayan rock candle. I'm just setting it there. The reason it's got tissue under there, in case you're wondering, is when it's really cold, it actually gives off condensation. But I noticed that in the winter. Anyway, right, so I'm just going to heat that up just a little bit on there, okay? Just a little bit, not enough for it to all start dripping and get boiling hot, because I don't want to burn my fingers. Okay, set that out of the way. And making sure it's not burny hot. And then you just rub the wax on it. You can do it like, we do it any way you like, really. Oops, let me move that bit out of the way. I'm not even sure if this is going to be such a clear video because this is really thin, and whether you're going to see it or not. Okay, so I'm just going to rub that down there quite a few times in as many directions as I can. I hope I'm in frame. And there. Nearly done. Okay, you can see I've kind of used quite a chunk out of that now. Right, I'm just going to bring this candle back over and just very slowly go over there, just for a little bit of heat on there, without setting. Oh, it shouldn't set on fire because it's waxy. And then just with my nail on my finger, if you haven't got any nails, if you bit all your fingernails off, then just rub it together and it sticks. But you can do it singular if you want to, but it's just because I want to double up on this to make it, you know, doubly super strength. There we go, and it's all stuck together. Simples. So I thought I would share that with you. Like I said, I've got this beeswax. I got 2 of them for about £3 on eBay. I know you can probably get them in craft stores and things like that as well, but that's where I got mine. eBay, UK eBay. Pardon me. And there we go. There we have it. So that's me. Got a few pieces now for my next journals. So there we go. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.